When you get the hang of just wrapping it around the robe and stop trying to flat twist like me, then you'll be good. Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you're not new. So today's video is going to be something a little different. I saw this hairstyle on Instagram. It was this girl, her Instagram name is Truly Talented Beauty, and she did this hairstyle using a piece of cloth, and she did wand curls. So I went on ahead and found her on YouTube, and her YouTube name is Truly Talented TV, I believe, but I'll go ahead and put it on the screen somewhere so you guys can go ahead and check her out. But in today's video, I'm going to be following her tutorial and doing the exact style on my head. I did look at the video, about 2 minutes of it, and I found out that she used a robe to do the wand curls. Very, very creative. So I went on ahead and got me a piece of robe. I mean, not a piece of robe, but you know, the tie that comes with your robe. I went on ahead and took that out of my robe. Yes, my robe is pink, so that's why my tie is pink. And I'm gonna go ahead and play the video here. When you see me looking here, it's because I'm looking at my screen to go ahead and watch her video, and I'm gonna be following it on here for you guys, and I'll put it somewhere on the screen so that y'all can see me following along as well. But that is all. I'm not sure what products or tools I need right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead along with her video and we're gonna see what happens.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Welcome to, I'm super duper excited for this video. Today I am trying something different. I'm trying something out the ordinary.
Oh yeah, and I blow dry my hair because when I saw the Instagram post, it looked like her hair was blow dried. So here it's blow dried and ready.
We found a new hack. Alright, so I'm starting off on freshly washed and half blow dried, half air dried hair. I just went ahead and blow dried it so it would be a lot easier for me to go ahead and work with it. Now I'll go ahead and link the original video that I saw this from. It's in French, I believe. But I literally,
so she actually got this from someone else as well.
And
okay.
I wanted to find a heatless way. I immediately thought, okay, flexi rods, but I honestly did not want to walk around with flexi rods, to sleep in them, and I was trying to use as little heat as possible, which obviously meant I X'd out using a curling wand. And so I saw that this girl used her robe, yes, her robe,
yes,
to curl her hair. Now,
all right, y'all, so I'm just gonna skip past just a little bit. All right, so I just skipped ahead and she parted the middle. All right, let me pause.
It's not gonna get super matted up.
Pause.
And
okay, so she went on ahead and parted her hair down the middle and clipped one side up. Y'all know I got a widow's peak. I'm gonna try my best to get it down the middle, but all right, and the rest I'm just gonna take it this, and we're gonna clip this side up first, but she's going through and detangling, making sure it's thoroughly detangled. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Now, she did mention in the beginning of her video that she has a little bit of moisturizer on her hair and some hair serum. All I have on my hair is my heat protectant. It's like a serum gloss type of thing on my hair. I didn't put any moisturizer on it, but I may go in and lightly moisturize, like use a spray leave-in conditioner to moisturize the sections. Right. Actually, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that now because I think she's about to get into do natural style. So give me a second. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and resume the video. Play.
her hair was dry, and she didn't use any additional product.
Okay.
So that's my only skepticism, that the fact that she didn't need to use any product and she just got these luscious curls really has me mind boggled. I'm gonna go ahead and take the robe, and I'm using there's a fluffy side and a rough side. She didn't say, so I'm gonna just put the fluffy side on my hair.
Okay, so she taking it like
Make sure
that.
it's even. I'm gonna just put it in the middle.
We gotta secure this this side. Wait a second. Okay. Now I need like a duckbill clip. Let me go find one. Alright, so I found my clip. Now what she did was she took the piece of the robe, make sure it's even. Okay. Now play.
And wrap it around the robe, and then take another piece wrapped around this robe. I'm bringing the other pieces that I took and combining it with the new piece as I'm twisting it around the robe. So taking the hair that I just twisted,
Okay.
I'm going to bring it back over and then combine it with the new
Back.
and just twist it around.
Okay, am I doing this right? Back here. I don't know, y'all. Don't know.
Okay, so I made it to the end.
Alright, hold on, y'all. I'm gonna have to rewind because, hold on.
Robe. I'm bringing the other.
Alright, so let's start over. Okay. So, I think I was doing it right, but let's just start over. Alright, so she took a piece, right? Then she wrapped it around. Okay, you're gonna take it right here. Then you're gonna take another piece. And you're gonna wrap it around the robe. You're gonna take another, hold up, piece, and you're gonna wrap it around the robe. Lord, I hope I'm doing this right. Alright, so I hope I'm doing this right. I keep wanting to pick the robe up, but it's not what we're doing here, Brianna. That's not what we're doing. Don't touch the robe. Don't touch it. Wait, do I have to touch it? I'm struggling trying to get this around. What the heck? I am twisting the robe. I can't even talk. Okay. So it's around, right? Now take a little more piece. Y'all, this is so hard. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and play. How you do these ends, sis? Alright, y'all, so of course my camera cut off, and so I thought I was recording and showing you guys how I finished this off, but I wasn't. So I'm just gonna show you guys this side start to finish. Alright, so now I did watch the video a little further, and she mentioned not to flat twist the hair around the robe, but to just bring it around, like wrap it around. And I think my problem is that your girl was trying to flat twist. My fingers are naturally wanting to flat twist. Yo, look at that. I'm trying to flat twist. Hold up. Y'all, I'm messing up. Y'all. This is difficult. So, when you get the hang of just wrapping it around the robe and stop trying to flat twist like me, then you'll be good. Look, I'm giving myself a headache. Like, this is crazy. Now, what she did, which is the part with my camera cut off on this side, but she took some holding foam or mousse. I'm just taking the Aussie Miracle Curls mousse, adding a little bit of that to the hair. That's why I'm doing that. I'm gonna brush it through. Is it brushing? I don't know. All right, and then you want to wrap it around the robe. take it, wrap it in a bun, and secure it with a scrunchie. This one is much tighter than this one, but this one looks messed up right here. Like, this looks good right here. This doesn't. Yo, I'm gonna take this out, redo it, and I'll be back so we can finish up and see what she does afterwards. Okay, you guys, so I just watched the rest of the video, and what she did was she just put a wig cap on her head, but I do not have a wig cap, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my handy dandy scarf around my head. And she said to leave this on for about a day, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on for a day, and I'll be back tomorrow to unravel and show y'all what it's looking like. I hope it comes out right and I get good results like she did, because hers was popping. Like, she did an amazing job. But we'll go ahead and see how it turns out tomorrow, so I'll catch y'all tomorrow. All right, y'all, so it's the next morning, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. As y'all see, I just wrapped the scarf around. I really hope this turns out right. Y'all know, y'all saw me struggle, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the scrunchie off. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and unravel. That hole from that mousse is definitely there. I can feel like my hair is kind of hard a bit. A wave, okay? A little bit of a wave. Back here it gets kind of tricky, but we got some wave going. Wow. Okay, I'm not mad at it. Not mad at it. Let's go ahead and unravel the other side. Y'all, I don't know what I did right here. What in the world? Okay, so what, this side? Not so much. Not so much. Now, this was the first side I did, y'all, and she ain't come out right. This side came out better than this side. This side ain't all the way together, but it came out better than this side. And you know what? This was the side I did first. What am I talking about? I did this side first. This side look a hot mess, y'all. Hot mess. Hotness. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna style this hair like this. Y'all, sorry this was a fail. Like, I tried. I really tried. But comment down below. Let me know if you would like to see me do it again, because I think I might have the hang of it and definitely do this side better. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you would like to see this again. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to style this, and I'll probably do like a top knot bun like how she had it in her video, and be right back. Okay, y'all, so this is the style all complete like how she did it here. And yeah, this is how my recreation of her style came out. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, although it was a semi-fail. Even though it was a fail, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the normal process I go through when I'm trying out new styles, you guys, because I don't know if y'all noticed, but your girl doesn't really experiment with styles. But leave me comments down below. Let me know if you would like to see me do this style again, and also any other styles you would like to see me recreate, and I can get those videos going for you guys. As always, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit that bell to be notified each and every time your girl posts a new video. And check out the description box down below, because I'll be posting a link to the full video I followed down there in the description box below. Also, make sure you go ahead and head over to Truly Talented TV so that you can go ahead and subscribe to her channel and check out all her other cool videos. And I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.